Can you make a living teaching Pilates? The answer is absolutely yes, you can. But if you're expecting to become a multimillionaire, that's probably not on the cards. You can make a comfortable living, but you will have to work for it. You will have to put in the hours, and you will need to plan your business and the way that you teach carefully. Many of our clients do go away over the key sort of summer or Christmas holiday period, and your income will drop over that period of time. So when you're setting up your business, you need to set it up that you put some extra money aside to help cover you for those times where you don't have that influx of clientele that you would normally have. You also need to set yourself up that you're not 100% reliant on the teachers in your studio or on one particular teacher or two particular teachers. You need to make sure that you have a variety of teachers who can teach all of your clients, not just some of them. Because if you're going to rely on one particular person and they leave, and all your clients are so used to working with that one teacher, then you're going to lose your client base as well. So there's a lot of things to consider when you're setting up your own studio. And also when you're deciding whether you want to teach Pilates or not. Be really clear about whether you want to be a contractor, where you're going to be earning more than a regular sort of barista or somebody working in an admin job. But you're also going to have to cover your insurance and your tax and your travel. So you need to make sure that the money that you are getting from your prospective employer is enough to pay yourself a decent wage and cover all those costs. When you're running your own studio, you need to figure out how much it's going to cost you to open up your studio for an hour. I can help you with all of that. I have my Pilatespreneur Academy, which is a membership academy that takes you through all of these things about how to set up your studio, how to promote yourself, but also how to price your Pilates classes. And much, much more. So if you would like to know more about a Pilates career, both as a studio owner or just as somebody who works as a contractor, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm more than happy to answer your questions.